6-position hair length adjustment for precise control, lock-in switch. Convenient built-in AC recharging plug. Up to 45 minutes of operating time per charge. Includes trimming guide, cleaning brush, and oil for lubricating blades. Panasonic beard and mustache trimmer 6-position hair length adjustment for precise control with lock-in switch. Convenient built-in AC recharging plug. Up to 45 minutes of operating time per charge. Includes trimming guide, cleaning brush and oil for lubricating blades. ER389K. With stainless steel blades and a convenient built-in plug charging system, this beard and mustache trimmer keeps facial hair well groomed and under control. With 6 length settings, you have precise control over trimming, avoiding such accidents as bald patches and uneven beard length. For closer trimming, the guide comes off completely. Recharging is convenient. Simply slide the retractable plug into its charging position, and plug it into the wall for easy charging and storage. You'll get 45 minutes of usage out of an 8-hour charge. The trimmer includes the trimming guide, a cleaning brush, and oil for lubricating the blades. It comes with a limited warranty. Ariel Meadow Stallings. Top reviews from the United States. Pepperidge Farm remembers the product. This is a rechargeable electronic beard trimmer. It has no fancy features. It does not look cool. It clips well, it is intuitive to use, and it is very serviceable. The battery is dead? Just open the trimmer and replace the battery yourself.